Oh, cute. You love this place, don't you, eh? Yeah, you love this bloody bed, don't you? Cute. G'day viewers, I'm going to try some arcing to this light bulb. Power's on. Won't arc in the middle part. There you go. Small audio zone. Can't get it to arc in the metal inside the metal coating won't arc. Let's try on rubber now. Bit of corona there, and a ceramic. Now it's destroyed the rubber there. Now it's not going to protect anymore. No. Let's try something else. Okay viewers, let's try this another method of cooking this light. Let's see if I can arc through the glass and arc under that ceramic base and just try and get that base off. There we go. Glass is conductive now, so it's gotten hot. Arced hot long enough, I might just break it. Let it get hot. Now it's arcing through the glass, made a conductive check, and it's trying to light the bulb up. No. There we go. Arcing through the metal reflective surface there. Got to strike the arc again, you see it arc the reflective backing off it. No, I won't do it now. DVD player laser with the magnets? No. I get corona, but I won't arc through it. The glass is insulating. Oh, I've got a crack in it. There you go. I wonder how well this will arc to earth, for arc out there to earth. I wonder how well that'll work. Might try that later on. No. Okay, power off. Just fogged up the glass there. There's some of the metal reflective surface taken off. That got pretty hot. There you go. Weaken the glass enough to get the outer shell out. There you go. Let's try something else. Let's try killing a weed. Got me an electrode there. Corona wind, look at that. Interesting, see corona wind on the wire. That's cool. Bit of battery desulfation there. Plastic. The plastic on this one's conductive. That's because it's sweat with the sulfur. Conductive nearly all over the bloody battery with that acid sulphur's gone all over it. This one, pretty clean, it's not very conductive at all, except around the tops. That one's been sweating a bit. You need current to do the rest. There you go. Kill that weed. Nah, the mott's better. This just get a lot of corona, that's about it. But the mott actually flies. This isn't actually as good as a mott. Okay, viewers, that'll be enough. Unplug the safety first. Let's hook this BAZ up and see it rev up its load wheel. Okay, viewers, got the MCO terminal cover there, so we've got its name, MCO. Unfortunately, this one's cracked. Now I'm going to have to somehow get hold of an email M1 terminal cover to replace this one. It's unfortunate this one's got a crack in it. But a bit of super glue should be able to fix that. Alright, let's wire this up and give it a test. Okay, if yours that BAZ's all wired up, let's do an accuracy test on it. Plug this in. Try to do this while holding the camera. There won't be any problem with accuracy, but we'll do a test anyway. This is a fairly new meter. Being email, they're usually pretty darn accurate. Three, two, one. Power's on. Both load wheels on both these BAZs are on their mark, so let that go. 400 revs per kilowatt hour, so that's gone half the speed. And this one at 800 revs per kilowatt hour, it's gone twice the speed. Let that advance 100 watt hours. And this should advance the same, and it's so far so good it is. Load is about 12 amps. Still getting them in my hay fever, so yep, they're both advancing at the exact same rate. Bit of a scratch there. That's coming off, that's good, it's a mark. I'll be able to clean that off then. Yep, so far so good. I like it to have kept the original format with the arrows. But the only thing they didn't keep, what they never did, is curve the dial fascia. They never curved it like I did with these old ones. Time switch is on charge as well. That was almost flat. The screen was pretty dull. So I better put that on charge before I forget. Yeah, that's advancing quite well. Lubrication wise, this meter's pretty good. Get that mark off the screen there. There you go, there you can see. You can see it from the top. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah, the little dial pointer on this one's much better quality. There's earlier plastic ones. There's later plastic ones. There's use cheaper plastic. You can see it's not quite as dense. It's more of a faded red to a pink colour. Use cheaper plastic. Alright, that's nearly spot on there. Let that get spot on and we'll turn the power off, so power's off. Yep, pretty good. There's a bit of it's a tiny bit less because that one is also measuring the potential coil and that time switch as well, so allow for that. And this meter's pretty darn accurate, which means it's pretty good lubrication wise, so it shouldn't need lubrication. Alright viewers, that'll be enough for now, so thanks for watching.